I am Milton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. I am the son of carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables. I also do a little genetic carpentry work, growing a new pair of eyes. I gotta grow a whole new body to build Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. Put that first brick in Jesus' immaculate house right now. Make a video of truth. Your hijack lifelines, try to call me. 424-229-4140. Then come see the man with stigmata eyes. And tell me what you think of them. Slowly but surely changing them from brown to blue. Didn't catch the light, either the sunlight or this flashlight. Till about a year ago when I started taking my vitamins again. And you can see the change going on. Tell me what you think of that change. In person, you have to. 4260 Eagle Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. The sunlight, stigmata eyes. Used to be all dark brown, but I, as a son of a carpenter and Mary, Daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. I'm a son of carpenter Mary. I get to do genetic carpentry. I also get to tell parables. I've been working on my eyes. I'm changing them from brown to blue. Slowly but surely. In the past year I've been taking vitamins again. They really catch the light. Try to call me up to tell me what you think of these stigmata eyes. And see the devil. See when you call. Make a video of that. It's your family's lifeline. Post it. We the people must be the reporters. I am Milton, son of a carpenter Mary. Daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Marianne. This one's always hard to get. I'm the son of a carpenter Mary, but I can't see the screen. I get to make parables, and those are my eyes. They're changing. Don't look like they're changing. Well, let me show you. Here's what they looked like about 9 years ago, and even darker brown than that years before that. Here's the new eyes, the bluer eyes growing through and around with these brown circles around the outer edge. The old eyes are smaller than the new eyes. Not only is the brown edge gone, but yeah, they catch the light a lot better. You saw the white around the brown there. Genetic carpentry, it's medical research being passed by, along with your hijack lifeline. News about that being passed by as well. Try to call me. 424-229-4140. Make a video. Whatever you get when you don't get me. Whatever boring thing you do get, not gonna be boring. You need firemen, police, paramedics. Those hijacking America's lifelines are worried enough about it to alter phone areas covered up. So make that video. Oh, America's hijack lifeline. You got the timestamp on your phone. You got the number dialed. And ask, why can't I reach Milton? When else will my phone not be allowed to work? Oh, you can certify mail to me. Not one bit of certified, non-certified mail about those 93 checks or the Psalm rumor or the Tommy parables. 9.5 years. Nothing about any of my off the wall. My mean, my funny. It's easily documented censorship. Call me up in front of every network news anchor, every local news anchor, any and all reporters. Why aren't you doing your job? Make the video, post the video. Tell them everything's fake news compared to your family's lifeline not working and them not covering it. Milton's my stigmata eyes. On the 11th, I believe. Oh yeah, that one's much bigger. You can see the smaller browner circles slowly disappearing, the bigger bluer circles growing in through and around. And I hope to show you the eyes with the flashlight, but yeah, this one's from about 5 years ago, and this one over here is from about 9 years ago. And much darker than that, back in '96 when they started changing. Doing a little genetic carpentry as the son of a carpenter Mary. Yes, Dad the carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter Mary. I get to make parables, and don't try this at home. I'm a professional son of a carpenter and Mary.
I was looking a little more like they should or were before that assault from medical malpractice doctors at Dignity. Remember, guys, it's all out war between you and corrupt doctors with the devil living in their hearts. Doctors, hospital staff. Not just you, that next patient over, that small child in the ER with you. In the waiting room there with you, even. You never know what's going to be going on in those hallways with those corrupt doctors I've seen. Oh, with the exception of the Good Samaritan here in LA. You document that character left and right so we can build a better world.
Melton's, my Stigmata Eyes. Growing a new pair, gotta grow a whole new body. I'm Melton, son of a carpenter, Mary, Daddy carpenter. Worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of a carpenter, Mary. I get to make parables. I'm also growing a new pair of eyes. Don't try this at home. Dad himself taught me how. Yeah, since 1996. Started changing back then, they were all dark brown. Look kind of like this one over here. Yeah, Melton Page's image. A little bit of lightness right here, and then that's from about 5 years ago with the smaller, browner eyes starting to disappear, the bigger, bluer eyes growing in through and around. And yeah, the outer brown ring's missing. From what I see in there, it's genetic carpentry, it's growing a new body. Come tell me what you think it is in person, because you're going to try to call me. 424-229-4140, and you're going to see the devil. That's still on your call. So come look for the handsome bald guy wearing his imagery on his chest and tell him what you think of his eyes.
I am Melton, and these are my Stigmata Eyes. Son of a carpenter, Mary, Daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of a carpenter, Mary. I get to call my eyes whatever I want to. They used to be all dark brown, started changing in '96. I mean dark brown. Slowly but surely, I grown those new eyes and new body. Oh, my doctors can't talk about my change in eyes, my genetic carpentry as a son of a carpenter Mary, but they can't talk about those 93 checks either. You're not reaching me with a 911 Flight 93 check in a decade of asking. Make that video, whatever you get when you don't get me, 424-229-4140, post it. And if you're a good doctor, come see me in person. Tell me what's going on with the eyes, what can accelerate the process. I already know taking vitamins does. Melton Stigmata Eyes. Slowly but surely, changing from brown to blue, and the camera's been a little darker than usual lately, or at least for the Sugar Chick parable to Tommy today. Let me see how it works now. Well, that's a little better. Just started bad, I think. Smaller, browner circles slowly disappearing, bigger, bluer circles growing in through and around. If I have time, I'm going to run out there and show you the big eye out there so you can see, and then I'm going to turn it off, try and keep it a minute. Stigmata Eye 1. Smaller brown circles slowly disappearing, big blue circles growing in through and around. Yeah, I'm waiting on my YouTube to start uploading, and look a little hazy. Of course, this is out here. I haven't done this in the past few days with the insulin taste, smell. Coming out the sweat. Devil's people walking among us going crazy. My turn. Mountain Stigmata Eyes. Slowly but surely changing from brown to blue. Doing a little genetic carpentry as a son of Carpenter Mary. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I am son of Carpenter Mary. I get to make miracles. I also get to do genetic carpentry. Come see me in person. Tell me what you think of both my parables, my Stigmata Eyes, and also my imagery. Well, yeah, apparently chemicals from next door have started my stigmata wounds. I'll go on. Checking post and 5 in front of the vet next door. They're active again with dangerous chemicals, putting them into the air as part of harassment techniques. Post. Whatever you get when you're checking post and 5 in front of them. Get that angry, Lori reaction. Great. It shows they're involved. Normal reaction is you can't reach this man. That's your family's lifeline. I don't know when it won't be allowed to work. That's a normal reaction. That's bad. That shouldn't happen. We the people must be the reporters. You get angry, you have a story to tell, they're involved. Get it on video.